Okay, I'm just gonna clean it. I'm cleaning it first. Yeah, you're fine, just like that. Yep.
Can you feel that, Dad?
Yeah.
Do you have any last words for the cyst?
I'll miss you. See you in hell.
What's your favorite song by Guar?
Oh man, I don't know if there's so many good songs.
Like your top like favorites by
I don't know if
Guar.
I have favorite songs, I have like favorite albums.
Yeah, so what's your favorite album by them?
You know, the more I listen to the later stuff, the more I like it. Like Violence Has Arrived on.
So you're starting to like
Except for Battle Maximus, I never really got into that one. The last one with the odors.
starting to like the newer stuff more than the old stuff.
Yeah, different.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, well, I mean, the Ready's on love would be.
Okay. Was that okay?
Yeah, that hurt, but it was okay.
So,
That hurts.
so
Yes.
alright, I'm gonna start a conversation, Dad.
It's
Look,
okay, I'm reading an article.
Sorry.
It's okay.
You're doing pretty good.
Yeah.
Dad.
Is stuff coming out?
No.
Not yet.
Mm-mm. Okay.
Just some blood.
I think that's enough.
Ow!
That one hurt.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, Dad, you're doing great.
There it is.
That's so gross. Oh my God. Ew, oh my God, that's disgusting. I'm so sorry.
Is it everything you dreamed it would be?
Ew.
Oh, we got like the sack coming out. Oh, yeah.
Ew,
Oh, it
Mom.
has a sack.
Mm-hmm.
That's so disgusting. Oh my God.
Ooh.
Does that hurt?
Yeah. I'm okay.
Oh, I saw my finger.
Ew. Well, what do you
Aren't you
expect?
wearing gloves?
Yeah, I'm wearing gloves.
So what's the problem?
Oh my God.
No,
I'm
still
closing my
gross.
eyes. I can't watch.
Are you focusing any on me?
Yeah. Ew. I'm so sorry, Dad.
You have to take the sound out of this video. Well, don't they put music in those videos you watch?
Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Stop.
I'm sorry. I'm so disgusting.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
That is so gross. Mom, how do you...
This is incredible.
It is disgusting.
How hard is the stuff coming out?
Well, so the sack itself is really tough, like tougher than I thought it would be. There's stuff inside of it. I know, that's...
I gotta read one article.
I'm sorry.
Oh, that's disgusting. Oh my
By
God.
2016, the rate of men dying from fentanyl overdoses was nearly 3 times that of women. And while there were increases...
Oh,
Ew.
Stop. No.
In all age groups, the largest rate increases were among younger adults between ages 15 and 34.
That's it. We got it. That was all.
Shit!
All right, stop. I gotta have to...
Alright.
Oh my God!
Let me just squeeze it one more time. I don't think there's anything left in there, but...
Gross!
I know!
Oh, there is a little bit of sack left. I'm gonna have to yank on it real quick, okay?
Alright.
Oh my God, Dad. You're just gonna have a big hole.
15 to 30.
Here, wait, film this. This is the... Are you... I'm sorry. There's just a little bit left in there.
Alright.
You're doing a good job.
Oh, I drank a bit of whiskey. You got the rest of it? Is it done?
Yeah, it's just some skin.
Well, skin is supposed to be there. Look at this.
Oh my God, Dad, you were awesome.
Yeah, you did great.
It hurt.
Yeah, you can stop.
Yeah.